What's up guys, this is Saloni here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna create a look which is actually a recreation. I saw this show on Netflix which is called Guilty, and trust me guys, Kiara Advani was looking fabulous guys. Her look impacted me, or I liked it so much that I thought like I have to do it. So here I am, I have recreated this look and I hope you guys like it. So without wasting another moment, let's just get started.
I have already prepped my skin well, so now I am applying concealer underneath my eyes to cover my dark circles. Applying a concealer under my brows and above my brows to give it a precise shape, and on my eyelids to create a base. Using a brown matte eyeshadow on my lids and on my crease area and blending it out using a blending brush. I am darkening my outer corners using a dark brown eyeshadow. I'm using a black matte eyeshadow on my lash line and I'm blending it out using my brush to create a smoky look. I'm highlighting under my brows and I'm applying kohl, which is actually very dark because I want it to look more bold, and I'll smudge it out using a brush. I'm applying brow pomade to define my brows, and I'll do the same with the other one. Blending it out using a spoolie, I'm using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes, and I'll apply a lot of mascara because I'm not going to apply false lashes. Applying my foundation with my fingers and I'll blend it out using my brush. Do not forget your ear and your neck guys, that is a must. I'm applying concealer on the high points of my face and I'll blend it out using the same brush again. I generally love blushes guys, so I'm applying a liquid blush and my cream contour to define my face more, and I'll blend it out, and I'm setting it using a blush and a bronzer. Setting a face with my setting powder, and I'm now contouring my nose. I'm highlighting the high points of my face, and I love highlighter guys. Do not forget the inner corners. I'm applying it on the inner corners as well. I'm using a lip liner to define my lips and my lipstick. This is my favorite part guys. I love this tattoo on her face and I did it with an eyeliner. And now time for the whole look.
Let me know if you like this in the comment below, and you can also DM me on my Instagram to share your views, your suggestions to me. If you love the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I have listed all the products that I have used below in the description box. You can go there and check it out. I'll come up with another video very soon. Till then, love you, bye, stay safe and stay healthy.